Hi, in this tutorial we'll be looking at the creation site of Voyager Story. Up here you can see it's called Voyager Edit, but in general it's just referred to as Voyager Story. The central screen, the Explorer window, is not too dissimilar to the Voyager Explorer view for visitors. A kind of WYSIWYG in that sense. What you see is what you get. Moving away from the Explorer window, there are 4 other sections in the Voyager Story. Up here, we find the taskbar. This is the heart of Voyager, so to speak. Here, you can switch between the different content styles of Voyager. In the upper right, you also find the Save button. Clicking on this saves all your edits to the server. It is recommended to save your project here every once in a while, especially after adding text or making changes to your tours that you really don't want to lose. In the upper left is the Scene Element panel. The Navigator panel gives an overview of the virtual elements in your scene, your models, but also the virtual camera and the lighting options. The Media tab is the space where your articles will be saved in HTML format, but is also the place where you can add media files, such as JPEGs and other similar photo formats, as well as MP3s. The last tab, Collection, contains the basic information about the entire edition, the language it's written in, the official title, and the optional intro which will pop up when opening the Voyager edition for the first time. These tabs, and their functionality, will be discussed in more detail in a tutorial on scene elements. Below this, you'll find the task window. Here you'll find the settings of the different elements within Voyager. For example, if you want to change the model settings, you open Settings and you'll find all the settings for the model in here. Below this, we have the article editor, where you can write and edit your articles. What type of media you can add and how will be covered in a dedicated tutorial on articles. The tour editor is the place where you will create and edit the steps of your tours. It is different from the article editor in that it isn't designed for text entry. Watch the tutorial on tours for more details. Lastly, in the note editor, you can add notes. This can either be for your own work process, or to leave remarks and instructions for other people working on the project. This was the overview of Voyager Story interface. See you in the next tutorial.